Hello, I'm going to show you how to file income tax quarterly updates for self-employment using 123 sheets. You will first need to download a self-employment filing template. You can do so from here by clicking on Download Excel Worksheet and choosing the version you need. The filing process between all the different softwares is the same. For this example, I need to download the Excel 2010 Plus version. When you are logged into your account, you can also download a filing template from your home page. You can either keep this filing template as a standalone spreadsheet, or you can integrate it into your existing bookkeeping template, as I have done here with this example data. To fill in the template, click on the box for income, press equals on your keyboard, find the relevant sum figure in your bookkeeping, click on it and press enter. If you are under the VAT threshold, you can use consolidated expenses by clicking and filling this box here, similar to how we filled in the income box before. Otherwise, you will need to fill in each category here. In this example, there are no disallowable expenses, but if there are any, they go in this column. When done, click Save and the figures will be saved. Alternatively, you can have the filing template and the bookkeeping spreadsheet separate, like in this example. Then, while logged into your account, you can click Home, and here on the To Do tab, you can see your outstanding returns. The data on the To Do and History tabs is all live data provided by HMRC, and if you have rental income, that would show up here as well. In this example, the first quarterly update has already been filed, and it can be viewed and amended in the History tab. Back on the To Do page, click on File. From this page, you need to choose the file type from the options available. Since we used Excel, we will have to choose Default Spreadsheet. If you filed using consolidated figures, check this box. Then, you will need to upload your file. You can do this by dragging and dropping the file onto the page, clicking on Add File, and then Show Figures. Alternatively, you can click on Choose File, find your file from the window pop-up, and upload it. You will then be shown the uploaded figures. Double check and verify that these figures are correct, tick the confirmation box and click File Return. You will get a confirmation that HMRC has accepted the return. Thank you for watching, and feel free to try out our demo and set up an account.